So this is our excelV laser. We used to carry VBeam, which was an older version. So this is a newer upgrade of the laser. So what is this laser used for? It'll target reds and blues, anybody that's got redness, rosacea, veins, anything that's vascular. So why use excelV over the VBeam? So this is a 532 KTP laser as opposed to a pulsed laser, which is a 595 nanometer. KTP is better at absorbing red pigmentation. Basically, newer technology, healing time is going to be quicker for you, less treatments because it's more advanced. It does feel a little snappy on the skin, but we make the treatment very comfortable for you. So as you can see, this tip here, it's a sapphire cooling tip. This will cool your skin as we're treating it, making the treatment more comfortable. Normally, for somebody who's got redness, I would say you would probably need about 3 to 4 treatments and then doing a maintenance treatment once a year. Anything that's a bit more aggressive, hard for me to say how many. So what's the downtime? I would definitely say don't plan this treatment if you have any social gathering. The redness and the swelling can go away in, I would say, about 3 to 5 days. If bruising does occur, that'll take good 7 days. I've seen amazing results on patients. I mean, somebody coming in with rosacea who's really self-conscious, I've seen results in little as 3 to 4 treatments and they come back super happy. So I would totally recommend this laser for anybody who's got some redness, some veins, anything vascular.